I'm expecting some students might have a question on number 59. 59 asked us to find the domain and write the domain in interval notation, given the function f of x equals 1 over x squared plus 1. So the process we followed to find the domain was first set the domain, if it's got a variable in the denominator, set the denominator so that it cannot be equal to 0. So the denominator is x squared plus 1. I'm going to set that so it cannot equal 0. So I'm going to subtract 1 for both sides as if I were solving the equation. So x squared cannot equal negative 1. Now, if you square something, you're going to get a positive number. A negative number times a negative number is always positive. A positive number times a positive number is always positive. So there's no way that I could plug a real number in and get a negative number out. So that means all real numbers can be plugged in for x, and my output can't be 0. So anything squared is a positive number. So if I look back at the original, anything squared is a positive number. If I have a positive number and I add 1, there's no way it's ever going to equal 0. There isn't a value that's going to make the denominator equal 0. So all real numbers written in interval notation as negative infinity to infinity is going to be my domain. So you just have to be careful when you're looking at the denominator to not only try to solve it algebraically, but also think of it conceptually, because x squared is never going to create a negative number. So if we add it to 1, not going to be a problem.